Hey, everyone! Do you want to add an admin to your Facebook page but don't know how? Or maybe you think it's too complicated? Well, don't worry. I've got your back. Managing a Facebook page can take a lot of time and effort, and doing everything on your own can get overwhelming. That's why adding an admin can help you share the workload and manage your page better. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add an admin to your Facebook page, whether you're using a desktop or mobile device. I'll also show you how to remove an admin if you ever need to. Let's get started. First, let's see how to add an admin from your desktop. This is especially useful if you're running a business or managing a large page. Step 1. Log into your Facebook profile and go to your Facebook page. Step 2. From the left sidebar menu, click on Settings. Step 3. Now under Audience and Visibility, click on Page Setup. Step 4. Then, click on Page Access. Step 5. If you want to give full access, click Add New under People with Facebook Access. Step 6. Type in the name or email of the person you want to add and click Give Access. Step 7. Finally, confirm the change by entering your Facebook password and you're done. A new admin has been added. That's it. It's that simple to add an admin using your desktop. What if you manage your page using your phone? No problem. You can add an admin just as easily from your mobile device. Here's how. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and head to your page. Step 2. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Page Setup under Audience and Visibility. Step 4. Tap Page Access. Step 5. Tap Add New, search for the person you want to add, and tap Give Access. Step 6. Confirm by entering your password and you're all set. Easy, right? Whether you're on desktop or mobile, adding an admin only takes a minute. So what exactly does an admin do? They have full control, including posting updates, responding to messages and comments, editing page details like the profile picture, cover photo, and page name, managing other roles like task managers or community managers, running ads. In short, the admin can manage everything on the page. That's how easily you can add an admin to your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.